Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the reading for Tuesday, the 20th of July, 2021. And I am pulling cards from the Lycius Tarot deck to see what messages does it have for every one of us. What is it that they all want us to know for today? Three of Swords. Whose heart has been pierced? Who is still hurting? Everything that we have been holding on to that has been hurting us, that's pierced our heart, that is still holding us in that pain. It's time for us to release that. It is time to let it go. Let all your old pain, all the pain from the past, not only this lifetime but all your other lifetimes also needs to be released. Because when you hold on to that pain, when you hold on to that heartbreak, all that you're doing is binding your own self in that pain. The one who has caused you that pain, or rather from one who you have created it, you have let that person still be there in your energy zone while that person physically may have gone away, or that thing or that situation, whatever it is that's given you that heartbreak, they have moved forward, but you are still holding on to that heartbreak, whether it is the demise of someone in your life, whether it is losing a situation, losing a job, losing any kind of a deal, or losing any of your lovers, your loved ones, whatever it may be, it is still causing you pain, whether it's fresh or it's from the past. You are still holding on to it, and you are not being able to move forward till you don't nurse this heart, till you don't create self love. You will not be able to attract new love in your life. You will not be able to spread that love in your life. And unless and until you do self work, unless and until you don't heal yourself, it will be a difficult situation for you always, because you will never trust, you will not allow anyone new to come into your life space, or even if you do, it will still give you the same energy, because you are creating and attracting the newness also with that same energy. So it is time, the universe is saying it is time for you to heal that broken heart. It is time for you to heal that heart that's still aching for someone, something that you have lost. So let it go. It is time for you to move on, move forward. The new moon energies that had started with creating the new are still pushing you to create the new, because it's full moon 3 days from now. Today being Ekadashi, 3 days from now will be full moon, which means letting go of everything that doesn't work for you, letting go of everything that does not serve any contribution, any purpose in your life anymore. So it is a very apt card preparing you from now on to work on the list of everything that you want to release and let go of all that pain, all that heartache. Isn't this beautiful that they want us to work on ourselves? They want us to work on our own hurt, on our feelings of despair, of being stabbed in our heart. And it is time for us to let go of energies to create the new. So, on that note, let's also see what guidance comes from the Keepers of the Light. It's just an additional card giving us an additional message after bringing out this, because this kind of brings out a lot of past memories if you connect with yourself. And let's see what is this message. This is of the Eye of Horus. Cosmic gateways are opening up. Yes, it is time for you to release the old and magnetically and powerfully attract whatever you want to create. What is it that we are wanting in our life? This is miraculous changes occurring in our lives from here on. The Eye of the Horus is always going to keep us shielded and protected. The Eye of the Horus is also the one that keeps us away from all negativity and evil eye. So on that note, it says your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Miraculous changes are occurring. So yes, Focus only on what you want. Let go of this heartache, let go of this heartbreak, let go of all the negativities that you're holding on to because of certain situations or certain experiences in your past, and know that the cosmic gateway is opening up. Know that the ascended masters, the keepers of light, the light seers, the spirit guides, everyone is working with you. And this is such a beautiful message from them for us to focus only on what we want, to create magnetically only what we want, and not on what we have lost or what we don't have, because everything is a divine plan and everything happens for a reason. So, on that beautiful note from the masters and the guides, the messages that have come for us, let's work on our own magic and learn to spread our own magic. Isn't this beautiful that they want us to know all this that's in our hand, to co-create with the universe, to uncreate and destroy all that was in the past and to start afresh. Have a very, very beautiful day. Have a lovely Tuesday, and I shall see you soonest. Be the love that you truly are.